water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight, I think.
We make food with special ingredients. So do plants. Plants have 3 special ingredients: water, light, and carbon dioxide.
We need sunlight. You could use light too.
It's
like man-made light and sunlight.
Yeah, but
You could do any like that. Xylem is like the straws in plants that bring their nutrients and water up. Xylem usually only goes upward to get the nutrients to the plant. Flowers so it could grow.
It carries water and nutrients through the plant from the roots to the system and leaves. Phloem is important for phloem to move up and down so that it can deliver and get the nutrients so it can go up to the flower.
The 3 primary organs in a vascular plant are the leaves, the roots, and the stem.
We're going to be putting food coloring and celery in and see if the celery sucks in the water and then it goes up. So the xylem actually works in the celery.
Do you think the leaf of the celery stalk will change color?
Do you think?
Wow.
She started there.
I can't see.
Why did you
Oh, now I was 7.
No, it's not. It's grass on the side. They're not completely bright though. It looks like it's floating. It's not floating. Wait, why is August?
Whatever the 2 colors made together is what the color the celery is going to be.
Oh, then anything's gonna happen.
Well, there's a possibility it may like change a little bit, but like
You won't see.
I don't really think too much is gonna happen.
Yeah.
whoever said that.
Even though this big leaf is a